Welcome to Currency Watch. This is Chris Keene from A Keen Point of View. It's been a rather quiet day in North America as it is Columbus Day and the bond markets are closed, but yet the stock markets, NASDAQ and Dow and so forth, are still open. But we have had a little bit of volatility in the Asian and in European trading that has pushed a few pairs to interesting levels that we can look at for any possible setups heading into Asian and European trading on Tuesday. We do also have a meeting of financial leaders in Europe that could provide a bit of fireworks, and if we get the right flow of information, or maybe if we have a introduction or Spain announces it's ready to ask for aid from the ECB, we could see a pop higher or something regarding Greece, and it's hammering out an agreement with the Trioca board. Let's go into the pairs that I'm keeping a look at going into trading, the majors at least. The first is the Great Britain USD. As you can see, the cross has moved down aggressively over the since the opening of trading. Opening and trading in New York, it gapped down into the open, and it looks like the pair has moved all the way down to the bottom of its channel. It's down over 161. It's down. It's down over about 100 pips, but more importantly, it's broken back below this descending trend line that we had been keeping an eye on. That trend line had acted as support, in the that daily candle doesn't look very good. That trend line, this level, had acted as support for over the last few years, and now the cross is once again firmly below this. What I'm watching is the more importantly, there was the channel that the cross is following lower. Right here, you can see that it has been rather orderly since the beginning of the downturn on September 21st, and seeing if we get a short-term bounce here, move back up to the top side. The first objective on a bounce would of course be the descending trend line again at 160.99, but more likely I would be looking for a move up to the 161.40 level. Now if we do continue to break lower at this point though, the first objective obviously, well not obviously, would be the 50 fib around 159.03, and that's the 50 fib from the combined move from the move higher in September. Another pair that I'm keeping my eye on is the Aussie USD, as most traders are, because the cross moved down to significant support today. You can see it moved down to test the 101.75 level, and this level has acted as support for the last few months, and the cross has bounced off there once, twice, and maybe three times here. If we do get a bounce off this level, the first objective would be a move towards the 102.80 level, and then you'd have to see how the price action acts there. But if it does continue higher, you ultimately could get a move over the next few. The target would be for traders back towards the 50 fib around the 104 area if this turns out to be secure footing. Now if the cross does break below this level, we have resistance right here at 101, followed by the parity level. That would be the target initially, would be 101 parity. So basically the price action right around this 101.75 area is a good place to keep your attention focused. The last pair I'm taking a look at is New Zealand USD, because this pair just doesn't want out of this range. It broke lower and broke lower on the end of trading, I believe on Friday, but it did rebound quite drastically in New York today and moved up around 60 pips. To move back up to the top of the range around 82.20, and now it looks like it's consolidating. Now the consolidation range between 82 and 81.84, it looks like that may have been broken. At least the bottom of the range isn't being respected anymore. We'll take that off, but it looks like there is a trend line, descending trend line, that any move down here has attracted buyers. So I'm going to be looking for a break of either the 82.20 or a break below this descending trend line that could lead us to a push down to the 80.30 level. All right, everybody, this is Chris Keene from A Keen Point of View, and this is Currency Watch. Remember to keep your trades keen and to play it safe.